Hey everyone, Evan with Fishing Life 101. It is a beautiful day out. It's about 82 degrees, which is awfully warm for the end of October. So we're going to try to take advantage of this, get some baits in the water. It should help the fish be a little bit more active with the warmer weather. Here's where we're going to be fishing. This is another part of the Patoka River. It's really neat looking out. You can see a lot of the trees are starting to change, a lot of yellows and oranges and everything else out there. For the bait today we have the gizzard shad and then some strawberry flavored chicken, the jello mix. So we'll throw these out and see how they do. See that?
No, I didn't see it. Do you think I'm really paying attention?
Yeah, I see it now. The middle rod.
Yep. That might be a turtle, how it's just kind of
nibbling.
Although it could be a fish. I've had a couple times where I thought for sure it was a turtle, but it was a fish.
Okay. You got something. You got it.
That's a little bit better pulling there. There we go. Got one on now. He's moving good. Oh, that's a good bowfin. That's a real good. Oh my gosh.
He snapped it.
He spit it out.
Is that what happened?
Yep. Dang it. Ooh, sorry, babe. Almost got you.
Oh.
Well, guys, that was a really good bowfin. That was, gosh, that was a big one. Man, I hate seeing those get away from me. Just goes to show you how hard they are to hook. He was playing around with that for at least a couple minutes before he finally started to take it. Good. That probably would have been the biggest bowfin you've ever seen, babe, right?
Oh, probably.
Get that little thing out. Oh. We got something on now, guys. That's this one. It's hard to get it more straight out here. You go ahead and send this one back out. See what I mean about it being challenging? Luckily, with it being so long, I don't have to put much effort into casting it out.
Hmm?
You said sorry for not getting your pole set up, is what I mean.
Fine.
Sometimes the action for bowfin is just crazy. Like if you hit them on a good day,
I don't think you had it out for 20 minutes and already got a good bite.
Yep. And that was a good fish. Gosh, if we'd have landed, I bet he was at least 6 pounds. Did you see the way that it shook its head, like how it jumped out of the water like a bass?
That was pretty sweet.
It is ready.
Got a worm on it?
Yep, you have a worm and a pretty good sized split shot on it. I wanted to come here too since it's a little deeper off the edge. Down there it's so shallow.
Good enough. Small shad.
Yeah, that was a Huntingburg. That's the time when I got 18 in one cast.
What?
Maybe 6 times. Oh, look at that.
Oh, wow.
There we go. There we go, guys. Man, he's got himself on there. That's a good one. Yeah, that's a real good fish. Bowfin. Big old bowfin.
Yeah, real. Will you get it?
Yeah, you want to pull him in? Just go down here, kind of try to pull him over here. No, that's a catfish.
Ooh, that's a big boy catfish.
around with that for a little bit too. That line was bobbing for a little bit. The line was bobbing for so long, I actually had time to put the other battery in. Got a good catfish here, guys.
You bring gloves. Oh my gosh.
There are some gloves in there.
Look how big he is.
Yeah.
I want to hold him.
I want you to hold up the camera, okay? Oh, that rod's getting it now. So we got another one on, guys. We have this catfish here. Then we have another one on. The rod's bent pretty good.
Ooh, he's gonna smack me. Ah! I dropped him.
About 6.15 is what it is. There he is. That's a good fish.
That hurt him.
So guys, that's the second biggest catfish of the year, 6.15 pounds. Oh. Oh. Ah.
Did you lose it?
Yes. What I thought turtles had found us. See that, guys? Turtles have found us.
A big bite and swim off with it.
Yeah, start swimming.
So, woo! What?
Ooh. Yeah.
Well, reel it back in now. Let's retire that one too.
So one of the bad things about chicken, I like it for bait, but it doesn't stay on quite as good as fish does. It's a lot easier to throw off. We're gonna go ahead and start putting some of them away now. We're gonna get going here pretty soon. Probably be good fishing later on today and maybe tomorrow too if the weather holds out. We've had a couple other bites. We had a good bowfin on the line, just weren't able to land him. But we did land a nice catfish. It's actually the second best channel cat of the year that we've had. So all in all, it wasn't too bad of a day. It was a real beautiful day. And we haven't been out here real long. It's not like we've been out all afternoon or anything. We've been fishing for maybe about 2 hours or so. The nice thing about this too is that this is something that you can do after work. If you don't have a whole lot of time, it doesn't take a whole lot of time just to run down to a smaller place and try to get something. We hope you guys enjoyed watching the video today. Please consider subscribing if you liked it. We'll see you later, guys. I just packed everything up and I was just getting ready to put everything back away, but I had one more fish to catch. Caught this little red ear in there. A nice looking little red ear. He's real orange though. Really neat looking. Fish number 2.